Good afternoon. It feels like this is finally happening. For as long as I've been a Dearborn resident, for as long as you've been a Dearborn resident, there has not been a playscape in the city of Dearborn or a park that accommodates all the needs of all of our children. And so for us to be able to build the playscape of dreams where all of our children can play together regardless of any needs that are necessary or needed, I think it's going to be something beautiful to see. But what I found is that Dearborn traditionally has not had the destination parks. And what we're hoping more with also these marquee parks is that we also become a destination site for families across the entirety of the area, not only in Dearborn. That Dearborn is known to be the park capital of the state of Michigan. Hey everyone, it's Mayor Hamoud and we are excited to be at the reveal of the Ford Woods Park. This is our second inclusive playscape that we've constructed and completed, with the third one underway in construction at Lapeer Park. The beauty of this playscape is it's accessible to children of all needs and families of all needs, ensuring that all of our children can play together. Again, right in the heart of Ford Woods, in the heart of East Dearborn. We're so happy to welcome this park that is themed after many of our water animals and insects, whether it's a dragonfly or fish or my daughter's favorite, the bunny rabbit. So come check it out. Hope you enjoy it.